Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS lists. And right now we'll be discussing about the list shorthand property. The list type property is a shorthand property. It is used to set all the list properties in one declaration. So I'm going to show you how all this works together. So when you are using the list type property, it has order. So I want to show you some notes right here. So list type, when using the shorthand property, the order of the property values are list type and also list type position and also list type image and so on and so forth. So I'm going to show you how this works. If a list type image is specified, the value of this property will be displayed. If the image for some reason cannot be displayed, list type position specifies whether the list item markers should be appear inside or outside the content flow. The list type image specifies an image as the list item marker. If one of the property values above is missing, the default value for the missing property will be inserted if any is missing. So I'm going to show you how all this works quickly. Back to our document right here. As you can see, we are having this is our list that we have previously in our previous tutorial. You can check it because we remove some of the styling there. That's why you are seeing it right here. So now I'm going to, because I've removed some of the styling, so I want to put some styling there right now. So what I want to do right now is that I want to use this list type property, shorthand property. So I want to use this let me find one I can use. I can use decimal. No, don't let me use square. I can use square. After the square, then I can give it, yes, after the square, let me specify square. Let's reload our document now. Can you see now we are having square right here? So I can easily give it another padding right here, or margin. So I can just give it margin. Let me just give it margin of 2 pixels or 4 pixels. Let me just give it 4 pixels so you guys can see the button very well. Can you see now we are having this? Can you see? And we are having this margin around our text right here. Can you see how our document is looking now? So, and I can do another thing again inside this square right here. I can give it position. The position can be inside or outside. I can make it inside. If I make it inside, like in our previous tutorial where we discussed about inside, this bullet is going to start from the place where our text starts from. Can you see? Now we are having this whole text inside. Can you see? So now I can even do more to it. I can give it padding again. Also I can give it another padding right here. I can just specify like 12 pixels. 12 pixels is too much. Let me give it padding bottom or padding top. Let me give it padding top 12 pixels. Let's see what we got here first. This is padding top. I need padding bottom, I think. So I can give it padding bottom to do something nice here. Can you see? Now we're having this cap and it's looking nice. Now this is our on order list. We bring it back and it is alive right now. So and we can change the font size, the font size also. If we want, we can change the font size. We can just give it 14 pixels. So let's reload our document and see. Can you see? This is our font size and everything is looking nice now. And we can manipulate our on order list also as well in that same manner. We can just come here and just do like this. We can give it some properties like by doing right here. If you notice very well, all the properties that concern the list style, I specify it inside here. So let's say for instance now we want to use an image. We can use URL. We can use URL. The image I used earlier, which is hh.gif, I can specify it. When I reload my document, I'm going to see the image right here. Can you see? Now our image is right there. So you guys should be aware of that also. So all the three properties we have specified inside this just single-handed list type property. So you guys should be aware of that also. So I think we can do the same thing as well for this one as well. If we copy this one, not to take too much on, don't let us copy. Let's just specify it. Let's say we use list type property. We want to use an image, or we want to use lowercase, lower Greek number, the lower Greek alpha. And also let's say we want to change it. What else can we give it? We can give it other thing also. We can give it inside also. We can give it inside also. If we give it inside also, let's see our document and reload now. Can you see? Now we are having this, and it's looking like, and we can arrange it also. We can manipulate it if we want. We can padding or margin. We can give it margin left or margin right, anyone we want. We can give it 23 pixels. If we give it 23 pixels, let's see what we got here. Can you see? We are having this margin. So anywhere you can position your document, and you can do a lot of things. Or you can change the font area font to smaller one, or you can give it 7 pixels. So you can see it will look different to the other one. Can you see? This one is looking nice right here, right? Can you see? So you can do a lot with your document. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day.